verdict in one of the 4 cases of sexual abuse and alleged rape registered against former Hassan Member of Parliament, no less. Prajwal Revanna is due today. The trial concluded on 18 July. Orders were reserved for July 30th, but the special court adjourned it to August 1 today. The case, just to give you a background and jog your memory, concerns a 48-year-old woman. She was working as a house help at the family's farmhouse in Hassan, was allegedly raped twice, but also filmed by Prajwal Revanna. Later investigation revealed that there were visuals of many women who, poor and vulnerable women, whose videos were forcibly filmed by this man. She was also allegedly abducted and intimidated to prevent her from testifying after the whole scandal broke out in April last year. The victim was eventually rescued from the farmhouse by an SIT team. This is a former member of parliament, and he comes also from a family of political legacy. He's the son of H.D. Revanna, prime accused in multiple sexual cases as well. I want to immediately bring in our editor Nagarjun Dwarkanath for the latest on that. Nagarjun, I remember this was such a disturbing case that you had broken last year when the shocking developments that came in. What has been the trial like? What is the sentiment on the ground regarding this case?
Pooja, this has been a case that is going on for many months now, and in fact more than a year post the Lok Sabha election result that came in. Prajwal Revanna was accused of rape and kidnap from his family as well. And in one of the cases, the verdict has been reserved. The verdict is going to be out today in any moment is what we are told. Post 11 o'clock, we can expect the verdict as well. This is the case of a 48-year-old woman who was working in the house of Prajwal Revanna and his father Revanna's house. The allegation is that twice she was raped in 2021. One later, the case was filed. She was allegedly kidnapped by the family of Prajwal Revanna, and the SIT later found the maid in a farmhouse near KR Nagar. In July 18th, the trial finished and the order was reserved, and today the order is going to come out. May is when the trial began on day-to-day basis, and within 2 months span, the trial was complete. The charge sheet is around 1,000 odd pages, more than 1,000 pages is what we are told. Over 100 witnesses have come and confessed here, and the FSL report is what the clinching evidence is what the prosecution feels. We'll have to wait and watch what the court would give out a verdict. Even let's assume that he's getting some respite and getting bail. Prajwal Revanna will still be in the prison of Bengaluru because another 3 rape cases are still pending. This is just one out of the 4 cases. The verdict will be out today.
And what's been disturbing is that one woman possibly spoke up, but there are many who are waiting for justice who were not able to speak up, had to be facing the sexual assault. We'll be tracking this case. Truly disturbing. Remember, this man is the grandson of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, so comes from a massive influential political family and misused that trust and influence on these poor, vulnerable women.